Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life, and this is another episode of Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In this episode, I intended to clean out one drawer or cabinet in my kitchen and show you that, and I do one a day. Yeah, that didn't happen. So I did clean out this cabinet here where I keep my potatoes and some drinks. So I did that on Friday, and yeah, nothing else happened until today, Tuesday. It's a collab hosted by Sunday Dawn at The Helpful Home. She does this every Tuesday with a group of ladies, and other people like me jump in. If you missed last week's video, click the link down below and I'll put last week's playlist down there too. Again, my intention was to do one drawer or cabinet each day and show you that it only takes like 5 or 10 minutes to do that while you're making dinner, and I was making lunch for hubby and my son, so I just did this real quick and it took me all of 7 minutes. If you are a faithful subscriber, you know I have done some videos where I would say work smarter, not harder. Anyway, so this is one of those things where I would clean out one drawer while I was making dinner, and by the end of the week, they were probably all done. So easy peasy. Especially if you don't have much energy like me, or if it's too overwhelming to think you're going to do all the drawers all at one time. Just do one at a time. Just make your life easier. Work smarter, not harder. And today is Tuesday, and yeah, nothing got done yesterday. I went to the grocery store. I was just having a tired day, and the dishes didn't get done, and the refrigerator didn't get cleaned out. But I'm not going to clean out the whole refrigerator. I'm just going to do 1 or 2 drawers or shelves at a time and just continue on that throughout the week. It actually didn't need it too badly. So, and I didn't want to take everything out. So, yeah, I'm just wiping it down, and I am doing this one drawer real quick. I'm going to put that one wing chicken in a Ziploc bag. There's no need to have the whole box in there. And you can see my organized drawer over there that I'll show you the rest of the drawers and what the state of all my drawers look like since you haven't seen me in a while. They're still in fairly organized condition. Throwing away that salad. And I'm going to clean out this bottom drawer here and organize it. So my fridge really drives me insane. Let me know in the comments below if it drives you crazy too. I feel like I am constantly reorganizing, but I think I just need to accept the fact that that's what's going to happen, because you might buy different groceries each week and they are just not going to fit in the refrigerator the same way they did the last week. So it is what it is, and yeah, it's just going to be reorganized every week and rearranged, yada yada, and you just got to go with the flow. You have one of those perfect Pinterest fridges, but yeah, it's not going to happen. I mean, you are reaching for something in the fridge many times a day, and now I have 3 people doing that. It's just going to get messy, and it's just not going to stay organized. So it is what it is. Okay, I'm gonna do one more shelf here. It was kind of icky sticky, so I am going to bring that to the sink. That's one of the reasons why I didn't clean out the whole fridge, because my kitchen was messy, as you saw. I will get that cleaned up after this and get that done and straightened up so I can make some lunch. Okay, I'm gonna grab some water. I want to say that took me what, like 20 or 30 minutes to do all that, but I'm gonna grab some water and finish the rest of the kitchen, get it cleaned up. I do like to put the time and the day sometimes in the left-hand corner of the screen so I can show you how long it took me to do something, so I know how long it takes me to do something, but also understand that I sometimes have to move the camera around, yada, all those other things, so it might take me a little longer than you think because of that. But anyway, so I was not having a good day yesterday. I was super tired because I may have ate gluten. I don't know why I keep doing that. I don't remember what I had. A piece of pizza. Yes, mistake. So I just was having it. That was on, not yesterday. So that would be Sunday? Yeah. So I did not have a good day on Monday. I was super tired, but I did manage to go to the grocery store. Barely got the groceries put away. And obviously the dishes did not get done. Oh, those greenies, cat food treats, you need to get them. We have tried so many cat food treats with our cats, and they just have not liked them. But my son bought those, and his cat really liked them, so we bought them for our cats, and they love them. Well, Calvin loves them. Hobbies, not so much. So I'm putting the garbage bags in the garbage cans, and I keep them right here in my drawer right by the garbage can. Makes sense, right? It's in the knife drawer. I don't have that many knives, so I can put them there. And I hang my pot holders on the inside of the cabinet because I don't really have a drawer for them, so that works out good. Okay, I did not get the high counter done, and that section over there done. But I need to take a little break. But first, I'm going to show you what the state of some of my kitchen looks like since you have not seen it in like a year. So that's the coffee and chocolate chip drawer. So everything is pretty organized. It might need to be cleaned out a little bit there. There's some coffee grounds. So I will clean out some of these drawers throughout the next couple weeks, I think. And this is my Ziploc drawer and parchment paper drawer. I thought about buying one of those things all the YouTubers are buying that contain your Ziploc bags. Yeah, it's so expensive. The drawer dividers work just fine. And yeah, those spring-loaded drawer dividers, you can get those off of Amazon. I did buy myself a new set of kitchen knives. The other ones I showed on the other counter, I've had them for 20 years. The gadget drawer is a little messy because I was reorganizing my spice cabinet and ended up throwing a few things in there. So that will be attended to, but it's not really that bad. I'll show you my spice cabinet that I did over the summer. I bought some new containers for my spices. I really don't use too many spices, so I wanted to condense. I will have to say, I think I should have bought the larger spice jars, and I just keep my measuring spoons and cups on the inside of the cabinet. That works really well with some command hooks to save some space. I already showed you the knife drawer. Most of the knives are being washed. So, yeah, and again, the garbage bags are kept there because the garbage can's right there. Put things where you use them, and it makes it more convenient. Pots and pans drawer, maybe you need vacuumed out a little, and that is still the same. Not too bad. Still have the same amount of stuff. Not putting more stuff. Oh, that my son must have put that there. He doesn't know where things go yet. And a lot of the food containers are in the dishwasher because I cleaned out all of the leftovers that we didn't eat. That drawer might need to be condensed. I'm not using a lot of that stuff in there, so I might be able to get rid of some things there. And all of my dish towels are being washed, not all of them, so that's kind of empty. Usually it is full. And my utility drawer, not junk drawer, don't call it that, looks fine. It might need to be straightened up a little bit. And then this is my baking station drawer, and that's just fine. And last week I showed you my kitchen desk area that I had turned into a coffee station. Yeah, that's where all the paperwork went. I need to find a better solution. It's ongoing saga problem. So I'm going to sit down and take a rest and edit this video for you until next week, guys, or until next time. Enjoy your day.